This is going to be 2 blondes from our Push Hair Essence collection. Let's dive in. All right, so I'm wigging with Christy. If you don't know me already, I am part of the Wig Studio One review team. I'm also the Push Hair ambassador for this collection with wigstudio1.com. Push Hair is our in-house brand. What does that mean? It means that Andrea, our owner, has designed all these pieces and these colors. So we have heat-friendly fibers and we have human hair fibers. And we have, in that human hair, we have 2 different human hair. We have Remy European human hair and we have Remy human hair. Now, this is the Essence, and Essence is the Remy human hair collection. It's a Chinese blend. It's going to be more affordable, but the cap construction is all the same. So it has the amazing cap construction features of Push Hair with our human hair pieces, but it just has a different fiber type to keep it more affordable. Remy human hair. So this is the color Caramel Blonde. I am loving this color. I just unboxed it today. Wow, amazing color. Now this is on the style JACEY. So I have Adeline and I have Genevieve and now I have JACEY. Holy smokes. I didn't know if I could, I love Adeline and I love Genevieve. And I was like, can I love another just as much? I can. So I am ecstatic about it. Y'all know I'm very passionate about the Push Hair collection, from the heat-friendly styles to the human hair styles. And not just because I'm an ambassador. Like, I've loved Push since Andrea released it. I have been an advocate. I've bought one myself. I've had another to review years ago. I just love it. And one of the main features I love about it is it has a French drawn silk top. So it looks like it's growing right out of your scalp. And that's what I love the most. And that is a personal thing of mine. Years ago, I was looking for that. And when Andrea brought that to the put and introduced Push, I was just sold right away. So let's dive into this because I'm going to compare Caramel Blonde to Fleur Blonde. And these were sent to me in exchange for content, but also in exchange for me to host Push consultations. And if you go to wigstudio1.com, click consultation, you can select Push Hair consultation and meet with me. And I can show you all the colors, all the styles. I have most of them in my possession where I can show you them and meet with you and find a good solution for you. Any of our wigs. Okay. So I'm going to be comparing the Caramel Blonde color as well as the Fleur Blonde. I don't always say that correctly, so I'm trying to make sure I say it right. And in the style JACEY. So Caramel Blonde is just a really beautiful color. You can see here has dimension in it, and just immediately you kind of get some streaks and highlights. And I'll give that color description. I'm going to show it to you outside as well. And then we have Fleur Blonde. So really just wanted to show the 2 blondes for the collection. Caramel Blonde, it's newer for the Essence because it's only available right now in JACEY. Hopefully it will be available soon in the Adeline and Genevieve that might be in production. But really, Andrea and I just wanted to show you the differences with Fleur Blonde and Caramel Blonde. So we're going to go ahead and look at these colors outside in some shaded lighting so you can see, and I will also do spins here inside and we'll do some further thoughts.
JACEY is offered in 6 colors, but today's video we're showing the Fleur Blonde and the Blonde Caramel. Now, Blonde Caramel is a rich blend of medium blonde and caramel blonde with natural ash blonde highlights throughout. Fleur Blonde means blonde flower. This color is an exquisite blend of buttermilk blonde, light golden blonde, and light blonde with a blended cool medium brown root. I feel like the rooting on Blonde Caramel is a lighter root. Also, now here's the cap construction for all of our Push human hair pieces. We have a lace front, an extended lace front with a French drawn silk top. We have an extended nape with the hook adjusters, and we have the ear tabs.
So what was your favorite of these two Essence collection colors? The Caramel Blonde or the Fleur Blonde? So I would say that this is going to be all over Maine Blonde. And I have this in two Adelines. And I have, my Adeline, when I first got that in the Fleur Blonde, I wore every day for about 40 days. And I finally, after that time, washed it and I applied purple shampoo to it. And I have done purple shampoo to my Adeline and Fleur Blonde a few times because human hair, it will brass up over time. So if you want to get rid of any yellow or brassy tones, use a purple shampoo and it will cool this color down. So if you feel like this, see how you can see dimension with this color as well. You have the lighter and then you still have some golden tones where this is kind of like the golden tone, but with the highlighted blonde. So want to just show that up close. So there. Let us know down below what your thoughts are between the Fleur Blonde and the Caramel Blonde. We'd love to hear from you. Down below is where you can get JACEY. If you'd like to get a 15% off coupon off Push Hair, I can offer that anytime with an invoice. So just reach out to support at wigstudio1.com, comment Push Hair, and they'll get that sent over to me and I can connect with you and get you that discount. We hope you have a great day.